Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2001 Buick Park Avenue. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, power driver seat, alarm, leather steering wheel, split bench seat, intermittent wipers. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.